Okay, this has dried well enough that I can go ahead and finish the sides. It's not fully cured, so I'm going to be careful of the surface, but it has dried for about an hour or so. So I see that I have some drips here on the side, so the best way for me to cover that is with either a black or a titanium white. I'm going to use some titanium white. I have it on my flat brush here. And just a tiny bit of water on my brush, not much, because you really don't want a lot of dripping with your sides. You want to pretty much use the paint full strength, especially to cover dark spots like this. So what I do is I will put that on first and kind of let that dry anywhere where there's the darkest spots that I need to cover, and go around my canvas like that. Very careful not to move large sweeping motions like that, or jerky motions, because this will splatter onto the surface of my canvas. So I'm working in a straight sort of up and down, if you can tell, and working fairly slowly so I don't get a lot of splatter and movement. And then you can smooth your paint. Anything that goes over it, use a little piece of a barely damp paper towel like this, and then you can just wipe away any little bits of paint and leave yourself with a very nice crisp edge that's finished. So I'm going to go ahead and just go around, do this entire canvas, and that will be it. I do want to thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. And, let me know what you think. And please check out my other tutorials for acrylic painting and techniques. Thanks again.